Hello guys, today we are gonna take a look at a lightweight backpack which might be one of the best lightweight backpack I have ever used. This is the Victorinox Almont 20-liter backpack and I bought it myself. I bought it from the Nordstrom rank, so this is not a sponsored video, and I bought a new camera, so I want to do a better review video, so it might be more professional than the other thing I used to make before. And since this is the backpack that I like most, and this is actually a new one because I bought a new one from the eBay myself. So first, let's take a look at the outside. This backpack have a very streamlined exterior. It doesn't have too much zippered pocket on the outside and it looks very clean. The front, you can see a zippered pocket. And let's take a look inside. Here you can see a big mesh pocket, and this mesh pocket you can actually unzip this one. And you can put your hands in the main compartment. And here is two smaller pockets. You can put your card in this pocket. It is a perfect fit. And you can put a wallet in this pocket. This zipper is watertight. It's not watertight, but it's definitely waterproof. And there is a side compartment, just a side zipper. This zipper, you can go into the main compartment and you can also put a water bottle here. But I usually put a lot of small items here, so I can just grab the things I need to use very often very quickly. Because this zipper, you can actually put the bag on and you can just use your finger to zip it and grab it. You don't need to take your bag off your body. I will show you later about how it works. And then let's take a look at the main compartment. The main compartment is not as easy to access as other compartments. But one thing for sure is that the buckle it uses is very high quality. It is small, but you can hear the voice. It is very clean and crisp, which definitely have a very high quality. And it is a roll top design, so it has a very large volume. Let's take a look inside. So you can see this backpack have a very good visibility. Here you can put your water bladder in this compartment. And you can also fit in a 13-inch laptop or 12-inch iPad Pro with the case on. And because of the lighter color interior, it has a very good visibility, and it has a feeling of transparent because this zipper, you can actually put your hand in the main compartment and grab the things out. And here you have such a good visibility, and the front you can also get into the main compartment, which makes this bag have a perfect accessibility. This is something I would not experience in other laptop with many compartments. I used to love carry a lightweight sling bag with me, but this backpack is lightweight enough, and it has such a good visibility and easy to access pocket, so it doesn't replace my backpack. It actually replaced my sling bag. And when it puts very little things in it, you almost feel like you carry nothing. And you can actually run with this backpack. And it is I think it's much better than a minimalist little sling bag. This is an in-case sling bag, by the way. So I'm really happy with this purchase. And then let's take a look at the back panel. The back panel is very important for a lightweight backpack, I think. Not so important, but it's still. If a back panel is well designed, you can almost feel no stress on your shoulder and on your back. This back panel is made from an EVA foam. It is not very cushy, but it has a good enough airflow, and it is very cool in the summer. As you can see how this shoulder strap is engineered. There is enough airflow with this, and it is a bit thin, but it is good for a lightweight backpack like this. And it also got a weight lifter, but I'm not really think it will do a lot of help with such a lightweight and small backpack. The sternum strap, you can see, magnetic, very easy to use, and I think it's much better than the Arc'teryx option, and the Arc'teryx is also a lot more expensive. Here, this one, I don't think it has a good quality control. As you can see, I don't know, yeah. Overall, I think the build quality is not as good as the Arc'teryx, but it's good enough. I would say it's way above the average. And for the price tag, I got it for only $40. I think it's a steal. And if you buy it on its online store, it's I think over $100, and it's not available right now. I hope they can make some backpack with more durable material and with the same design with this one. And overall, I think Victorinox is a very good choice. It has a good design, and it is lightweight, and it is easy to use, and with a reasonable price tag. It also has a very good organize, so it won't dangling around, as you can see here. The water bladder, the hose can go this way out. And I will pack this backpack to help you see how much it can fit inside. This is a 13-inch MacBook Air M1. It goes this way into the water bladder compartment. Very smooth, very minor mesh protection. Almost no protection, I think, but I don't care. I got Apple Care with it. And I don't think I need to speak. I think it's just so clear. You can see I can get it inside this way, or inside this way, or I can dump it in this way. You can just see how versatile this backpack is. This is a design that I have never seen on other backpacks, actually. And this is a MagSafe smart battery. I put it in the water bottle compartment here. And every time I want to use, I just grab it this way with the backpack on my body. And the sternum strap is enclosed. So it's I think if you want to grab something very quick and easy, this backpack is perfect. It doesn't have any... There is no other backpack else that I can think can ever compare with this backpack. And this is a quick notebook. I put it in the main compartment. Access the things in the main compartment, you do need to have some flexibility with your arm, but for me it works very well, so I don't know if that works for everybody. But at least this compartment is very easy to access. And this is a rain cover. Just put it in the main compartment. And as the things stack up, you will see how this backpack got its shape and become a beauty. A thermos water bottle. This way. iPhone 12 mini. This way. My keys. This way. And finally, a packable, watertight, soft shell. Okay. Now you can see this backpack. An IKEA little pouch with small stuffs. Quick grab pocket. A Pitaka. This is a multi-tool. I tend to put it here. AirPod. Here. And that's almost it. So I will roll the top and buckle it. If you want to put something here, you definitely can. Okay, I will not put my pick here. And guess what? I will put it here. So, as you can see, now it's quite heavy, but I will put it on my body to see how it feels. Typically, I won't put so much things in this backpack. I would say actually it feels very comfortable. So, back here. At least now I can give you a conclusion. This backpack, it is lightweight. It is easy to use. It has a very good visibility. It is very versatile, and it is cheap. $40. I don't know what you can expect for a $40 backpack like this. And the handle, it is double layer. It's not padded, but it's surprisingly comfortable. This is soft. I think they do put a lot of effort on the material they choose. And also, the two side buckle this way, or you can clip it this way. And you can definitely get more volume. Think it might make more sense if you put it this way. Here, this is how it should look. Super streamlined. That's it. Thanks for watching.